the major prophet kum chacha. On say me catch or say, Bomoden too much GH. On say me can ye bonne pa na kase ye pe wo wiase ya asondin asondin ti na Adam won hu nyame yenu nyam no won hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ni ade cat won na bomoden na behwe too much GH behwe na subscribe bomoden o behwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ura
ebusia for me ma obibia akwa ba the battle ma GH munia ba muso for Mexico na me the trending news eba be so mu daya yanti asempa arewo sema esise second lady of Ghana name Mrs. Samira Baumia involved in accident. Na report kire say ye name say election ye den ya campaign the course na campaign no anamo na wo tu a kire say won ne nkrofo ne convoy da wo de kono akwakonya accident na ne wo mo ne say wono de dudu na eyewitness ka so ye safe ne mo won a waka no na wa injury ne nim say no ampo a kire say nda ya ye bobo hu na ya say nyanti ye say accident for AC ewo Koforidia Manfi Road Ekuapem North District of the Eastern Region. Now eyewitness in someone what can I say? Koba say one more no ya ni say kana some south a che say twa no wu rafa so akwa she bush bi mu a ewo ho na abrantie ba ko a wono ne de na ye passenger wo car no man din Frederick Emisa wono so de ne nsema ba betuja na wono ne nsema a wo kan say ono cross na wo da se nya dodo na da wo kan mu obi wo ba ko adwuma wa bre wanda ye nti ono onya tena aka mu na enda na wo wusa na brantie no kire ni nsem se wono na wada na ne ohu ya ni se car na wote mu no Toyota bus no enye abomodia atoto kro bi mu a before be can jack no wo se car no no na muni faso obi aka Jesus obi afi se na wie ya ba na so ni nemo na ye den ya onyame onim nemba na accident na chi no report abeto jani say ye passengers baako for there ye ka say omoto na nanom ewo ensiedo na 15 so omu de omu prepare ya rush omu akotete kwashi Memorial Hospital na akoba said 3 so I come there omu wa critical condition etiefo enu na eja Ghana fo nyina bobo ye na nim sa fi we de nsem asisi enye accident na chese ya de foforo now from the beginning of the year na ya present your papa asuje just a promotion ye na embra ya kwam na so start fi coronavirus enti wa coronavirus ni free anka omaimu ebe kunkum nipa chese obi aye careful the nose mask ne lockdown ebe mu ni na nkosi chese afire nipa wu papa na nipa bebrebe wu omwu na ye coronavirus ekoye se accident enye Koforidia de ye takrada akra Kumasi Road chese dudu na shiri wo mu nkwakwa anu no na ena ekoba ni say na chese Ghana for ye ni abrain na ye chese ye ra wo no bi etwa jajo na dudu na edi o madwen kire aba ebi mu say there be accident ni ya ye too much na say ekoba say bia akoye election year in penifo bi ni mu bi because of power no mu na msuma se dia womunja if we say power no wunya yenhwe say ye former president Jerry John Rawlings we every atase for asase so it is a wo pray power when ye den ya one day no owo bi da wo man to bone a wo be dini na sa mre yi mu na so mu say obone so wa ketua ebinu mu so say there be ma ye bi nkasa if we say drivers na be careless a woman no one would see road that on check car no say be a car no be fault be home be okay just a maintenance poor and one is a woman see one koshio moguaba then or the passengers no yo then you are koshio mogu super pepe and their benefit must say there be a few passengers no passengers do a one take car anymore and a driver tiaso and a driver me pentem and a driver just say be mood patches say passengers ni complete do an a juma wakoye and ebian buta abs is not the real fin once and then one the crown that is say now boni bebresi boni bisi sesia wo be hwere ne kwa na mo refi na nyom the pressure two drivers no so nti we dia mututu blame driver na passengers no so ebi account na ebi mutu sese na esitie bia drivers mo no mo nsa and drive and after so over speed no mo mututu because too much obi wa careful so crampo no person wo careful to say accident ya esi careful so and na chese o this speed and the wa share potholes mo no na ebi mutu say there be drivers na mirrors to say omo tika mu no mo driver mo ma passengers ne voice no and control one no driver na one driving one answer say enkrofo mbati no no akasa so ne bush and phone ya no say within the passengers ne ko eba safety enti omo njai say da no bi ka say otie passengers no omo betie passengers ama a sign ni musuo any accident way esinetie fo say na esitie bia ni pe egududu say bibi wo ho say measures bi wo wa aban no betumi dia to in place ama car accident wey etu etwa na so mbomode anom tu sa na mo no de maye say ye rules no so na enye na ebia as a cause accident because of potholes near a beto just say a potholes that means and potholes ni so ni one can be sure say accident when can ebia preventing ka see and maybe sure mo kwa maybe end them send ya esi eti rules ni na so ye mpanyifo no one bomodi na power say ade be power you can see ye beto aso ye to power so ana say yes amobi fufa be na say na city ebia wo ba betina so no magana enya obuta magana muhia na ye kwan no mu asen nso no mo hwe na munyama na face security system no so mo enforce send ye be ya police for no any drivers no like omode embra ebe ye ejuma send na ye nye careless e ma da ye nhwe innocent so etiefo ne ahwefo mo so wadwen kire e wo be nya wo accident adosu wo man mu aye ntumi control e ba no an see ye di am na so control bi eni wa ye tumi e control fa wadwen kire e to your comment section wo e fa ma ya fa won subscribe and so na wa bon maden na wa subscribe send e be ya too much if you dey kase dani da di jumedi e bitum wa so betumi a kire wade na wo share na wo like e de promote channel we anything so e mu nua ba mo so for Mexico na me di jumedi e be so mo aha e na me di mo besi dasene ye be san ehia makram